Hi, my name is Gérard.
Hi, my name is Roxanne, and we've got 3 dogs with us, Texas, Jack, and Nayrock.
And this is our house.
So this is our home. First it was an ambulance in Quebec when we bought it, and it's a Ford E350 from 2001, 7.3 little engine. We didn't have the obligation to change the color, that's why it's still yellow like the ambulance in Quebec. But we had just one thing to do. It was to make disappear all the lights that were red, because they are the emergency light.
Let's check out inside. And this is the chicken place. Yes, it's a good term, it's a good expression.
Yeah.
And this is a stove with propane. And next, it's a little thing, but it's a perfect size for our. This is a tank, water tank, grey water and clean water. This is our heater. It's a very good. It's a simply and a small heater for this space, good size. And here it's before it's a box for a battery of emergency. Now it's a box for put shoes. It's a very big place. We can put 5 shoes, 5 or 6. It's a very good place.
We spent just the 6 months in a hut in the wood, and then it was about in February or March, something like that, we start telling people there we want to find a van. Then someone told us it's great, the town is just selling the old ambulance, and we had to leave the hut 3 weeks later. So we said, okay, we just have 3 weeks to make it a home. Everything goes like as it was written. Someone told us, I have wood as you want. People in this little town said, I've got the tools for you need, and you can stay by me and, plug by me. And so we made it in 3 weeks. Yeah, amazing. It's possible.
Yeah, amazing.
And here, this is a place for the element, the food. Very good place with a different, what do you say in English?
Shelves.
Shelves. With a different shelves. And this is a Berkey. It's a very, very best water filter. We love that because we can drink every water in the river. We can take water in the place. And this is a cooler. This is a Yeti, 35 liters. It's a very good size for make aliment, for vegetable. We like this. Yeah, it's a very good. This is a room for the dog. They love this place. And here it is a place for a battery, a power bank. It is plugged directly. We have a 350 watts, and I love this battery. It's very good. And this is a cabinet. How do you say in English? Equipment for the clean people. And here it's for make a brand and for make a coffee. It's a very good system for the coffee. AeroPress for the tea. And here it is a place for make bananas, aid, first aid, and a book. In English is
Toy?
yeah, it's a toy for the dog. Yeah, and for the a little power bank, because we have a simply electricity system, a power bank, and for us it's very easy. We have 4 LED, and there is a very good light in the van for the night.
In France, we get a little van too, but we just go on weekends or little holidays because Jack. We lived in an apartment, like everybody, and we already were photographers and filmmakers, so we already worked on our own, so we had time, and so we don't see the difference now. We do the same, but we just discover more what we like to discover. Yeah. So here we got our roof vent. It was, I think, the tricky part when we did it because we had to cut the roof. About how we did it, we wanted to be like a cabin, like a hut, because we live in the forest during 6 months last winter in Quebec. So we wanted to have raw wood, and we find it where we were at this time. So it was very like some way magical. We made an isolation before with hemp wool, so it's also very natural. We can breathe it, and there's no chemical product in it. So that was really the way we wanted to do that. We didn't make plan or on SketchUp or everything. We built it the way it comes. It was really intuitive, and that's the way we want to take our life. So we made it like that. The only thing we took measurement for was the bed, because we are not small people, so we needed to have a comfortable bed, and I think it's a very important part when it's your home. And we made storage on this part because we have, like everybody, clothes. So we needed to store them in some way. So we can put lots of things there we don't use every day, so it's a little bit messy, but but it's cool. Here is the place where Texas sleep on the night because she wants to be near us. So at the beginning it was clothes there, but now it's Texas. And here we got 2 little storage that close for our working stuff. So the cameras, the things are more fragile. So everything is here, and it's just very simple, attached.
What do your friends and family think about you guys, living in Canada in an old ambulance?
We are full. No. No, they know us very good, so they know we are living what we have to live, and they support us. The exterior side, we also had this box because we wanted to have all our stuff with us, and inside it was a little bit too tiny. We have all our stuff for the 4 seasons, and we are very sportive, so we do lots of sports. We also had a solar panel, of course, to have some electricity. We needed that, and the rack for our bikes. And that's pretty new because we got our bikes like 1 month ago. So we just find an old used rack, and that's great, yeah. So I just lay down the bikes to open our garage. It's like that. It's a big part of storage. We need it and we wanted to have, so our bed is just here. We got everything we need, like I said, for season life. In fact, we really have everything we own in this van. We don't have anything anywhere else in a storage or something like that. We got everything here, so it was very important for us to have enough room. I don't think it's something difficult to manage, but we... He disagree. Jack, you want to say something? No, I don't think.